All right, another box for my collection. The 95th Harley Davidson Snap On toolbox. Never used as a box. None of my stuff has been. I mean, this thing is cherry, like the color, black cherry. Not a common box. Really hard to find. The Snap-on dealer did confirm very low production numbers. The 90th had, I think, a 7,400 run. I believe these only had a 3,000 run. I'll try to obtain that information, but this is no rust, corrosion, anything on this box. It's as nice as you're gonna find. Brand new cover. I actually got it off the tool truck. This was made for this guy, and then never bought it, never finished paying for it. So then I ended up getting it when I was turning wrenches back in the day. I don't find a lot of the 95th stuff. The color's black cherry. Handle's in great shape. We do have the tassel for it. Somebody would want to put that on. A little bit of from the drywall in my garage. Actually, looks like it's coming right off. Yeah, flakes right off. No abrasions, again, from the drywall. Probably polish out, but extremely clean box. You know, this isn't Marketplace. This isn't eBay. You're getting the real deal here. You might drive 2 hours. You don't know what you're going to get on Marketplace. But tried and true seller here. Professional dealer, seller. Only the best. This Willie G does go with this 95th box. Extremely cool color. One of my all-time favorite boxes. I hate to let it go, but I have to. We'll be also listing the 90th. Very low production number on that one. And then this 100th here, and then my 100th toolbox and another listing. Keep an eye out. We have 3 more Corvette boxes coming up. 2 50ths and a 40th with a brand new matching creeper. I've got some other Earnhardt and GM Specialty, and my personal favorite, which I'm still unsure about, is my Mopar Plum Crazy box. Good luck, bid with confidence. This is a real gem here.